Hi, today I want to share with you change by. Let's say you have a list of book titles and you want to find out whether book title has another word like, say, orange. Right. And it has to show the list of, not manually move it, but you see this here? Actually, it does the wonders. And to understand this, right, to achieve this, you need to have understand the first step one is that how can we search this value on this cell, see whether there is appear the word that we want. Right? We want to search, orange in this list. Oh, no, no chance, right? But then if you look at the second item, search, search orange, and from this cell, yes, it is. So it will give you one, and this on and on going, right? So this one also have, right? Now the one just represent that the orange is found, right? It's just that search as 14, right? It's irregardless of the position of where its orange is. Now, when you combine these two value, we use the is number. We can turn it into a false true, false true. Okay, so how to do this? Let's see. Equal filter. Highlight this list, comma, and then include. Yeah, here is where you want to do the is number, and then the search, and then we will use that we showed here just now. The trick is actually that it's applied to a range. Okay, and these words, this is the letter that we want to search, and okay, now Excel is prompting that within which text. We're saying that this here is where we are interested to highlight it. Let's search for it. So once the search is found one, it will use the is number to convert to true, false. Then now we have a list of true, false, and the filter will list out all those true items. Right, you can see here. It's basically Excel return this and this. That's all right. This is the how to combine the filter, is number, search for a typical usage while in searching mode. If you have a long list, this become very useful. Once again, using filter. Thank you.